I did it. I did it. I did it. So the first thing, of course, I did is I wanted to decide on what my web page should be called. Based on my already YouTube name, Casey Grandpatek, I went to OpenAI, GPT, and I gave it a question, give me 20 names of websites that would be appropriate for my channel. And it gave me 20 names. Well, that was great. Then I asked it, what possible web host could I use? So I began to research it. And as I did, I looked at Wix and I looked at Bluehost and I looked at everything. And I had tried Wix to try to use their AI, but I found it not very intuitive. So I used Hostinger, and I'll talk to you about that. So after looking a while, I looked at um, Wix.com and Spotify and all of these different ones. But the one that was the best priced for me was Hostinger. And I said, well, the least amount of money, and it claims to be the best. And you get a 30-day trial on it. So guess what I did? I went in there and signed up, created my domain name from the list of 20. You'll check on my, if you check the description, you'll see my new website is already up. And as I did this, now this is Grandpa who's never created a website before, has no idea how to do it. I don't know about these tags and setting these codings up. I just went in and gave it a description of my website. And then it looked at my YouTube channel and then created a web page, a website for me. And then I didn't like that one, so I told it to try again. And it went about 3, 4 times till I found what I wanted. And then I helped it by giving it more descriptions and putting my own pictures into the website. And before I knew it, I had my own website. And I think the process took me all about 15 minutes. I had tried to create a website before, but after hours of pulling my hair out, I just gave up and said I was either going to have to get somebody to do it for me or do that. But now with I was able to use Open AI or GPT, have it describe, give me pictures, and do all of that very, very simply. Now, once you've got your website up, now you can get into getting and making greater pictures and things like that. So, some of the things that you can do, as I have discovered, is you can go on Discord. There's a company called Midjourney, and Midjourney allows you to create art and graphics for your website or your YouTube channel. And by giving it the various ways of doing it, it will do that for you. Uh, the other one is video AI. And so what I'm going to be doing is I have my YouTube videos, and I want to create shorts on the web page. So there's a company called Vidyo AI, and it will take your YouTube videos and create shorts, which then I can place either on shorts on YouTube, or I can put them on my web page as descriptors, who then can go look on my site. Made it very, very simple. I mean, I got to tell you, I have never in my life created a website in so few minutes. It was a charm. So in order to get to Mid Journey, you need to create a Discord account. And from there, you'll find Mid Journey. And Mid Journey is a paid account, depending upon how much money you in. And you can have it create graphics for your web page that are unique in every way. And then, of course, using, like I said, video AI, you can now create short videos on your account, on your webpage, or on YouTube from videos you've already made. This made my life much, much easier and will make your life. So, these are some of the things that you can do, and there's a lot of AI programs out there. So AI has come a long way, obviously. I remember the days when my son, who does full professional web pages, would take hours to connect it to go inside to make it work on the phone and this coding and that coding. And I mean, I went in after I created my domain name and linked it all together on in the very beginning and told it what my website I wanted from it and gave it a description. It created it, and then with a few more minutes, by clarifying what I wanted, it built everything. And now, obviously, I'm going to make some revisions and add some content to it. But it simply makes it that if our 68-year-old grandpa can create his own website, set it up, and get going, we have reached that point with AI where it makes life so much easier. Now, in the future, I'm going to be going into these programs a little bit more detail and showing you what I did and how I did it. So if you want to see those videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be getting into more of those at that time, because simplicity, I love. When you can take away all of the pain of creating a website, that's what makes it. So until next time, this is KC Grandpa Tech, or KC Grandpa, and I'll be back with you with more web reviews, more product reviews, and more content in the near future. Thanks a lot.